Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix sound or audio problems on Windows 10. First option is right-click sound, click troubleshoot sound problems. Second method is type device manager in search bar. Click Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click High Definition Audio Device, Update Driver. If you have audio driver, use this option. Browse to locate your audio driver location. Click to search automatically for updated driver software. Uninstall the driver software and reinstall it. Audio driver is reinstalled successfully. The third option is right-click sound icons. Click sound. Click Playback tab. Click Speaker Properties. Click Enhancement tab. Click Tick on Disable all enhancements. Click Apply. Click Advanced tab. Select 24-bit studio quality and click Test. Select all other options one by one to test the speaker is working or not. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.